Okay. Okay, we're gonna do guessing the food. Like I'm gonna put food in a spoon and she has to guess what it is, and she's gonna do the same thing to me. So yay. Okay, so I'm gonna start out first, or quieres empezar tú? O hacemos rock, paper, scissors? Rock, paper, scissors. So my mom talks Spanish, so that's why I'm like kind of talking Spanglish. Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh my gosh! Yo voy primero. Me first. Okay. Ready? Tú me das a mí.
Okay.
Okay? Okay. Oh, remember, ma? Enseña a la cámara.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, go. I'm nervous. Okay. Me dices cuándo me lo vas a poner en mi mouth, okay?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Okay, go. Okay. Ew! Es una tortilla! Oh my god! I'm sorry if I get red. Oh, it's hot in my house. Okay. No me enseñes, no me enseñes.
No.
Put your bag over there, mama. Your bag over there. Okay. It's me turn.
Oh, okay.
She was going again. Okay, close your eyes. A tortilla. Okay, close your eyes. No los abras, okay?
No.
Okay.
Mommy, this is trash.
Okay, no los abras. Okay. Cierra tus ears. Tapa tus ears. Yeah, okay? No voy a oír. Okay, open your mouth. Not a fail, but ¿no te gustó, ma?
No. Mucha.
Okay, so she didn't get a point. No agarraste un punto porque tenías que cerrar tus ojos y guess.
Decir. Oh my
Yes,
god.
it's fine, it's fine.
Me gustó.
Okay. Okay, tu turno. Oh, necesitamos other spoons, ¿no? I don't know.
Okay, cierra tus ojos.
Okay. I'm so nervous.
Abre la boca.
Oh my god, no, ¿qué es eso? Pero es una salchicha, ¿verdad? Oh my god, what? Ew.
Okay.
No puedo probar mi boca.
Me ganó. 2
Okay.
a 0.
2 points. She has none right now. So close your eyes, mama. Okay. No hagas, no mires, okay?
No.
Don't look. Na 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 na. Okay, ready, mom? Okay, ya puedes quitar tus ears, así. Ready? Ah? Oh my gosh! No abres tus ojos, okay?
No.
Okay, ready? Oh my gosh, I'm trying not to.
No.
Yeah. Yes, it's harina. It's flour. She got it all over.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's harina.
Ah. No, I'm
Too
not.
funny. Oh my gosh, it's so hot in here. Okay, my turn. So 2-1. 2-1. Okay, go. Tell me when, Mom. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm ready. Oh my god! Mom, no me
Ya,
dijiste
abre la
cuándo.
boca, abre la boca.
¿Qué es eso? Oh my gosh. ¿Es un gummy vitamin? She gave me a gummy vitamin. Okay, my turn?
Ay, te la comiste.
Okay. Close your eyes. Okay, I'm gonna grab another spoon. So I'm not gonna be mean this time. Okay. It kind of looks weird on camera. Oh, there's a lot of light. Sorry. Okay. You ready, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Open your mouth. What is it?
Nutella.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah.
Rica.
¿Cuántos puntos? Me 3 to 2? 3 to 2? I think, yeah. Okay.
Muy rica la Nutella.
Okay, Mom. Your turn, Mom. Yeah. Nutella's bomb. Okay, go, Mama. Oh my gosh, it's so hot now.
Ya, cierra tus ojos. Ay.
Mom! Mom! No lo escuché, escuché candy. ¿Dijiste candy?
No, no, no. Va a hacer otra.
Oh my gosh, Mom. Okay, go.
Otra.
Oh, it's so hot in here.
Va a ser otra.
Okay. Sorry if I look all shiny. Ready?
Abre tu boca.
Oh my god!
¿Qué es?
Alright. That's so much. No sé si comérmelo.
Okay.
Okay. It's rice, right? ¿Verdad? Right? So we're 4 to 2. 4 to 2? Okay. So it's my turn. Close your eyes, Mama. Okay. Close your eyes.
Dos.
Close your eyes. No, mami. ¿No viste mis cosas?
No.
No? Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. I need another spoon for this. I feel so bad, but she hasn't. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, Mom. Just close your eyes, okay, Mom? I feel like she's gonna be able to smell it. I don't know. I feel like she could kind of tell. It's so strong. Okay. You can't really see it, but so bad. Okay, ready, Mom? Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, Mom. I told you, Mom. Puedes agarrarme. So I didn't say it at the beginning of the video, but we went to get stuff from our house, from this house, from my house. We got random foods. So yeah. Ready, Mom? Open your mouth. Oh my gosh.
Cal fue.
yo?
3.
3, yo 4. 4 to 3, yo creo. I think. Okay. No, yo creo que tengo 3. Or 3. 4? I don't know.
Okay.
We'll see. Okay. So, your turn. Tengo que checarlo. Oh my gosh, mom. ¿Esto es una mala or good? Mom. Escuché que algo se cayó.
Fue el tornillo de la mesa.
Okay, mom, go. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared.
Ya, abre tu boca.
Oh. Oh god. Oh my gosh. Son cookies. ¿Verdad? No, más las buenas cosas me agarraste. Mira.
Y tú puras cosas malas me agarraste.
No, te dije que tenías que agarrar.
Amargas, sí. Polvo que me ahoga.
I told her, but she didn't understand. Okay. Ready, mom? I'm sorry, mom. Okay, ready? Close your eyes. Okay. I need another spoon for this. Oh my gosh, I moved it. No moví. Okay, we're good. So. Mom!
No, estaba viendo allá.
Mom!
Le quité la... No, yo escuché no.
Okay. Cierra tus oídos, mom. She could probably hear it, but. Okay. ¿Has ruido, mami? Bueno, llámala. Actually, I'm gonna just give it to her like that. Okay, abre tu boca, ma. No. Okay, otra vez, mom. Don't open your eyes. That was a big fail. That one fell. Okay, open. See, I was nice about this one. Okay, what do you think it is? I don't know if she likes it or not. No? You don't like it? No? Mom, you don't like it. No. No?
No sé qué sea.
He doesn't like brownies. Mom, no? Oh, I just said it right now.
No way.
No sé qué sea.
Brownie.
Oh my god.
Mami, lo había dicho ahorita. Oh my god. Okay. Your turn. Ready?
Ready.
Your turn, mom. Go.
¿Sigo?
So it's her turn. I don't know how many points we have, but I'll put it on the screen. Okay. Ready, mom?
Abre la boca.
Oh my gosh, mom. It's chocolate. These are so easy. Okay, ready? Okay. I'm actually need a spoon for this one, so don't open your eyes, mom. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, there you go. Okay, so I'm gonna give her some of this. Okay. So I'm not gonna give her too much because I don't want to be mean. I just gave her a fair amount. I don't know if you can see it. Okay. Ready, Mom? Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, I'm blocking the lights. There you go. Ready? Open your mouth. Good or no? I used to like eating it that when I was smaller.
Es de esta leche de para café.
Coffee creamer. Yeah.
Okay.
So I don't know how many points I have. Again, I'll put it in the screen. Okay. Your turn.
Okay, cierra los ojos.
Okay.
No mires, me van a
Salvé lo más duro para último. Para ti, ¿ok?
No mires. ¿Ok?
I'm scared.
Ok, no mires.
I'm always scared, but she never gives me nasty stuff, so. She's so nice.
Open the mouth. ¡Ya abriste la boca! ¡Oh, los ojos!
Mom! Mama! Okay. What? Get it? Oh my gosh! I still have it all over me. So it was. ¿Qué era, Mom?
Leche nido.
Yeah, it was that. I didn't get that. It tasted so nasty. I didn't like how it tastes. I have it all over my face. Okay, ¿todavía?
Yeah, yeah.
There? Okay, my face, I feel so sticky. Okay, close your eyes. It's my turn now. Okay. So mine's this. Okay. So there's this last one. I keep looking down because my dog is right here, so. Okay. I don't want to be too mean, so I'm gonna give her a little bit. But, like. Okay. My brother's over there. Okay, stupid fly. Ready, Mom? Open your mouth. Esta es la peor. Okay?
Oh my god.
I feel so bad. Ready? Ready? Ew. Todavía me queda de esto de imagine. Okay.
Yeah?
The lighting's so bad. Okay. Ready? 1. Open. 2.
Chile.
Yeah, Chile. Mom. So all of these. So that was all for our video. I don't know if I won or my mom won. They were all nasty, but I feel like I was the one who gave her the most nasty one. But so bye. And I hope you guys
Esperemos que les guste.
subscribe.